remember these? Everybody's been wanting me to do another impossible shapes video, and that's what we're up to today.
Oh, Ellie, let me go grab my underwater camera. Be right back. I'll meet you at the pool.
Follow me. All right, let's check out these impossible shapes. We've got, a banana, a star, and a super impossible shape, the letter E. I think that we should do the banana first. Sparkle Squad, give you a big thumbs up if you want to see me cannonball into the impossible shape. 3, 2, 1, cannonball!
Excuse me, Ellie Sparkles. Exactly what is going on here?
Well, I'm doing the Impossible Shapes Challenge. Come join in, Jimmy.
Oh, well, I sure would like to, but first I gotta consult the official lifeguard swimming pool rulebook. Let's see, impossible shapes. Aha! Rule number 503. All irregularly shaped objects must be tested by the lifeguard before they can be approved for pool usage. Sorry, Ellie, but I'm just gonna have to see if these are safe for the pool or not. Your little game's gonna have to wait.
But Jimmy, we did the same challenge a couple years ago.
Jimmy!
And then you loved it.
Well, yeah, but that was before I was named head lifeguard, obviously. Sorry, Ellie, but while I'm testing these irregularly shaped objects, you can just wait in the timeout tent.
Okay, quit calling them irregularly shaped objects. They're impossible shapes. And okay, I'll go to your timeout tent. But make it quick, okay? Timeout tents.
Oh boy, time for me to do a little swimming.
Ooh, you're in violation of rule blah 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 blah. Go to the timeout tent. What kind of pool has a timeout tent anyway? That's silly, Jimmy.
Now beginning safety test number 1 on the irregularly shaped banana. Cannonball! Totally awesome! I mean, totally not approved.
Oh, come on, Jimmy. Don't break the impossible shapes. I'm gonna need those for my video later.
Safety test number 2, this time on the letter E. Cannonball-a-rooney! E! Letter E, better change that to letter N-O, because that's a big no-no.
Oh, no. The point is to go through the irregularly shaped. The impossible shapes. Impossible shapes.
And finally, safety test number 3, this time on the irregularly shaped star. Ooh. The star is not approved. That's an O for 3 on the irregularly shaped objects.
Lifeguard Jimmy is saving the day. Ba-da-ba!
Hey, Jimmy. You done having fun yet?
Fun? You think I was having fun? You know, it was a lot of work breaking these things.
My impossible shapes! Oh, Jimmy, I didn't even have time to make thumbnails out of these.
Ellie, I get that you're upset, but I was actually doing you a big favor. Those things were a massive safety hazard. And if there's one thing a lifeguard has to do, it's keep the pool safe. Anyway, I'm off to do some more cannonballs! You know, for safety.
Well, don't forget your floaties! Because big babies need their floaties! Hey, Ellie, got the underwater camera. Time to test this baby out. Ellie? Huh. Well, I guess a teeny weeny test on my own won't hurt. Okay, let's see. Whoa! Oh, wow, imagine all the awesome pool videos me and Ellie are gonna get on this thing.
Rule violation.
Jimmy, can you please take it easy on the whistle? You're really hurting my ears.
Well, if you stop breaking the rules, then I won't have to use the whistle. Sorry, Casey, but the pool rules explicitly state that there are no cell phones on swimming premises.
This is not a cell phone. It's an underwater camera.
A camera?
Yeah.
A camera by the swimming pool? That is even worse. You're gonna have to report to the timeout tent while I approve that device and see if it's safe.
Timeout tent! Jimmy, this is unfair. You know what? I'm gonna go over to the timeout tent because my BFF Ellie just happens to be over there. And we're gonna talk about you and your lifeguard rules. Ugh.
Fine. You two rule breakers deserve each other anyway. Underwater camera, you say, huh? Let's give this baby a test.
Let me guess. Pool violation? Yep. Jimmy over there thinks that my underwater camera is a cell phone. Ugh. Guess you don't need to pass an eye test to be a lifeguard. Another pool day's ruined, Ellie.
You know what? Jimmy would totally love it if we stayed in these timeout tents all day. He would LOL. But no siree, not today. We are going to get our revenge on Jimmy by still finding ways to have fun by the pool. So, Casey, are you ready to have fun by the pool today?
Absolutely. Let's do it. Let's go.
Perfect. 2 fresh hot dogs. My pool day is already getting so much better.
Not so fast, Ellie. Eating by the pool violates official swimming pool rule book 328. No chewing allowed on pool premises.
Ooh, that's just the first activity on our list. The second activity is maybe trying out that summer shootout challenge you've been talking about.
Totally.
Whoa!
And just what is going on here? Playing a little game of kick the soccer ball at the head lifeguard?
No, Jimmy, for your information, what does it look like we're doing? We're eating hot dogs.
Hot dogs? Are those hot dogs I see? Oh boy, you're in trouble now. Pool violation!
Wait, are you serious, Jimmy? You really want us to believe that there's a violation of a rule for eating hot dogs by the pool? You just want to send us back to our timeout tent.
Nuh-uh. There is so a rule about that. It explicitly states that no hot dogs, wieners, and/or frankfurters shall be eaten on the premises. It's right here. Rule number 7012. Yeah, okay, I can't find it right now, but when I do find it, you two are gonna be in serious trouble.
You can't find it in there, can you? You wanna know why? Because it's not in there. Remember, I wrote the swimming pool rule book, Jimmy.
Oh, Coach Rocco, so good to see ya. How about a hot dog?
Hey, Coach, can you tell us again how Jimmy's lifeguard?
That's a very good question, Ellie, because as I remember it, I took Jimmy off of lifeguard duty last week.
Whoa, wait a minute. Has Jimmy been pretending to be a lifeguard this entire time?
Oh, and that means you are in violation of Rule 928, impersonating a lifeguard on pool premises.
Oh, well, you see, funny story about that. I can explain everything.
Pool violation. Jimmy, follow me. We're gonna spend some time at the timeout tent area.
Oh, man.
Have fun, Jimmy. Last one to the pool loses.
Oh, you're on.
All right, Jimmy, I'm not just gonna let you sit here and waste time. So that there's no more mistakes, I'm gonna read to you every rule in this swimming pool rule book. All right. Let's see. Rule number 1. There is not to be eaten or consumed any stinky cheeses in the perimeter of the swimming pool. Munster is okay, I like that one. Rule number 2, there is not to be any nail painting or polishing in the perimeter of the pool. Christmas colors are okay, but only on Christmas. No Easter colors and no Valentine's.